Today I'm going to show you one of the easiest methods to make money online. The website will pay you $2 for every 3 minutes of work. But there is a point. People who are too lazy to even view the full video won't be able to use this one because it is entirely free. You must follow every single step described in this video if you truly want to make money. But before that, subscribe to my channel to stay updated whenever I drop a new video about making money online with the simplest and easiest way of earning money. Turn on your post notification to be the first to use the method and earn a good amount of money with these new and easy tutorials. Consequently, let's begin with a video instruction regardless of the device you're using, such as a mobile phone, tablet, computer, or laptop. The first step for you is to go to google.com. As long as you have access to the internet, I want you to open Google as your first browser, because as usual, I'll take you through everything in this video in great detail and step by step. This way any person is able to follow the steps with me. I want you to follow every single step I explain in the video because after the video is through and you've followed all the instructions, you'll be prepared to start earning money. Go to google.com to complete the next necessary action while on Google. By doing so, you have to start a search using the term Capterra and simply hit search. And now I want you to open up this first website that says Stop Software at Capterra Software and Software Reviews, and then this is what you'll see when you arrive to Capterra.com. This is a location in a platform or tool that is prepared to pay you to write various evaluations for programs and software right now. Don't worry, you don't even need to download or install them. You can do the task in a matter of minutes without having to purchase the necessary software. Like usual, like I stated, I will provide an explanation precisely what it takes to do that in a minute or two. Now you can see that you can browse more than 800 different categories, software and programs for more than 800 different categories, and you have hundreds of different software products within each category that you can review. All of the products are currently online, and you can review them. You can be paid $20 for every 5 minutes of work. Now if you stick with me to the very end, I'll show you how to finish that task in under 2 minutes, and how to continuously make over $10 without needing to purchase the program for yourself. You can see they are proud since they indicate that this genuinely works and that others are generating money off of this website. The reason the software owner, the product owner, is willing to pay you $20 for every 5 minutes that you work is since having other 5-star reviews and positive feedback creates social proof. If we offer over 1 million verified software reviews, then you can easily do the statistics to see how much money participants made with Capterra.com. You might start wondering why these individuals would do, so they'll pay you $20 for less than 5 minutes since it's profitable for them and helps them generate a lot more sales, so it's a terrific return on investment for them. And now with step 3, click right here where it says write a review, which will bring you to the next page where you can find thousands of different businesses and thousands of various goods that you may evaluate and submit a review for, and you may look up those businesses and items. As I mentioned before, most people will likely go online to purchase software or other digital goods and perform research to find out more about it in order to discover what other customers have to say about their product. If the reviews are positive, customers are more inclined to purchase the program. If you believe it is effective, Capterra will pay you otherwise the goods or service. But now before I show you how this works, give it a thumbs up. And if you are interested in making money online, subscribe to my channel. Okay, as you can tell, you can examine all of these well-liked items that other experts are. So you may examine some of the most well-known programs just to name a few. However, there are literally tens of thousands of different software items that you may review and profit from. Therefore, there won't be any shortage at all. Capterra.com offers a variety of revenue streams, and now if you go to explore categories, you can find tens of thousands of distinct software categories that you can open up with everything from business-related software to customer service software to data collection software to email software, and furthermore. Here's a pretty helpful idea. For example, you want to go over the QuickBooks program rather than simply clicking on it and starting to write the review. It will save you a ton of time and work, namely copying the name of the software, its title, and then going to search for it once again on Google. You may get all the various reviews here by searching for QuickBooks reviews. In our opinion, of course, you can check at this website right here to see how other people are doing it, which will give you an idea, and you can also do it online. They discussed it and how they created their evaluations without having to actually purchase it themselves. Of course, you may edit the text to make it a little more unique. However, do not copy and paste. It won't make any money since that's obviously not going to happen. but you can get an idea from their reviews and what they actually stated about the program, which will save you a lot of time and money because you won't have to spend hours and hours looking through the software. Learning about it decides the advantages and disadvantages. You don't have to spend hundreds of dollars on software merely by using it in order to give you an idea of how to write a simple review. I'll show you a real-life example in a minute. So you will have an idea. Spend several hours in cash to create a review without actually purchasing the product. Given that you realize all of that, I'd like to give you a real-life example of how you will really finish the review. So you will come over to this website. As I just showed at the start of In This Movie, when you open Capterra, you will next click on Write a Review, which will lead you to this page, where you will pick the company's product or program you wish to evaluate. In this case, I'd like to look at the QuickBooks program. Just click on it, and you'll be sent to a website where you can provide some data about yourself. I'd want you to provide your first name, last name, email address, and other needed details. Afterwards, it will be asking you for further information, such as how frequently do you use this software, and I propose that you choose an option ranging from daily to weekly instead of monthly or the other, because using monthly or another implies that you are not utilizing the software. If you do not attend frequently enough, your review will most likely be refused. So I suggest hitting daily. What is your role? You are clearly a user of this program because you purchased it, which was the first of 3 processes that we needed to complete. Let's go to the next one, so click the next button right here. And now all you have to do is rate the actual software, the overall value of the software, and what the overall quality of the software is. Simply go back and read what other people stated. Said the overall rating for this one was 5 out of 5. And trust me, the better the review you write, the more positive the feedback. It's always preferable to submit a 5-star rating if the software is very outstanding based on other people's reviews. So you can see, if it was simple to use, you may give it 4 stars, 5 stars, 4 stars, and 5 stars for this one, even though they are now purely optional. This is likewise optional, but the more you finish, the more likely you are to make money. So if you don't mind, just choose some of them so that you don't have to finish all of them, and then you'll be able to see how the price of QuickBooks compares to similar things, and if it was way too costly for a mid-tier, or not at all. How likely are you to suggest this software to a friend or coolie? I'd guess 9, and the final step is to name your review. You can gain ideas from other people's reviews. For example, despite its flaws, QuickBooks is still the best for small businesses. So what I'd say is, QuickBooks, for example, has certain problems but is still the best for small businesses, or something along those lines. You can edit the wording somewhat if you don't want to copy and paste the full thing. You will now list the pros and cons and disadvantages. And what did you like the most? You may obtain an idea from other people's reviews using this program. You know only a small amount, then this is optional, and may be left out blank, but if you finish it. If you fill out this form as well, you have a higher chance because the more forms you fill out, the more chances you have, the more information you provide them, the more money you will make, since more software owners will accept your review. So try not to leave all of this blank where it says optional, but rather fill it out and submit it. Just don't be a lazy person, okay? It will definitely pay off, and then you may decide whether or not to shift from another product. You may, for example, click yes, you did, and then specify the product you moved from. And also another example, if you switch from Excel, can you find the Excel programs? I'll scroll down and simply click this box. I certify to Capterra and its affiliates that I am the person I represent by submitting this review. Clearly, if you entered your real name and last name, which you should do, and submit your real details, your correct name, your real last name, and then just click submit to finish. This will all take less than 5 minutes, and you will get rewarded $20 for only one review. Finally, subscribe to Money Flow to stay updated. Give it a thumbs up if you're interested in making money online fast and easy. Now watch this video if you want to make more money from another website by reading scripts or books and being paid on daily passes. What are you waiting for? Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.